The time has come to rebuild South Africa's live events industry. In June 2022, South African regulation of limiting gatherings to contain the spread of COVID-19 were finally revoked. This is a reminder for the future of this day, the day that our beloved industry had the shackles removed. What a ride this COVID-19 pandemic has been. Let's get back to work and let's make memories again. Let's remember the losses and the people that this terrible pandemic has taken from us. Let's rebuild all the lives and the livelihoods that have been destroyed over the last 2 years. Let's do it with love, let's do it with light, and let's do it with compassion in our hearts, each and every single day going forward. We as Electrosonic are here to support all of our clients and to help revive the live events industry in South Africa. Viva SA Live Events!